How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. A lovely little springy appetizer, this one. I've plated it fine dining style, but you can plate it how you like. It's got some nice seared scallops, a bright green pea puree, and the twist to this dish are the rutabaga fondant. I think rutabagas are better than turnips. They've got a better flavour, they're much stronger, and they're fantastic for fondants. I used a pastry ring for the rutabaga. You don't have to do it, I just did it for presentation. You can just dice them up and cook them the way that I did, just as good. Anyway, sit back and relax and enjoy.
For the rutabaga fondant, peel and slice about 1 inch thick. Optional, I used a pastry ring for presentation. Add butter to a pan, followed by garlic cloves, olive oil and rutabaga. Now cook until golden brown on one side. When golden brown, turn over . Add stock, now place in the oven and cook. For the pea puree, dice onion and slice garlic. Add olive oil to a pan. Add onions and garlic and sweat until soft. Add sweet peas, milk and a pinch of salt. Now simmer for 10 minutes. Drain off the milk into a bowl. Add the peas to a blender, now gradually adding the milk to a consistency you want. To make the puree extra smooth, add to a sieve and push through with a ladle. To keep that bright green colour of the puree, add to an ice bath. This will stop it fading. At the end, season scallops well on both sides. Add olive oil to a hot pan. Now cook for about 1.5 minutes on each side and serve. So there you have it, that's my delicious spring starter for you to try at home.
Let's tuck into this, look at this. We'll have a turnip fondant. That is creamy. I love those peas for texture. It's just not right. It's really getting on my nerves. Absolutely ridiculous. Caitlin! Just me look stupid.